All right, YouTube. So for the chicken breast, put olive oil on one side, and then you're going to want to do the same thing. Put olive oil on this side and spread it, and just keep working this and let it sit for a minute. All right, so after a minute, use something like this, salt and pepper. Frontier makes this. You can find this in America and Canada. And you're going to want to put this on each side. So when you have it on there, flip it over and do the same thing. And then the thing you're going to want to do is just keep working it back and forth and then let it sit there for another minute. All right, so we have that chicken breast in there. Push it in there and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes at 350. Halfway through, flip it, and we're done. All right, so we cooked it on the one side. Push it in and let it go the other 4 minutes at 350, and we're done. We're eating. And there you have it, YouTube. That's how easy it is to cook a thin chicken breast in your air fryer by just using olive oil and salt and pepper. You cannot go wrong there. And you can see some of the sauce right there, the oil and grease from the chicken. So you could eat that on your plate, put that over top of rice, or even make a nice sandwich. Talk to you soon. More air fryer recipes to come.